Okay, I had a phone call. You know how those go. All right, so we've jacked it up. You got jack stands behind the front wheels. And the first thing we're going to do, grab that wheel at the top and the bottom and pull in and out. Does it move?
About this much.
Move it again.
Yeah.
A little bit. All right. Now what you want to do is go up underneath here and look from the back side as I move it. You tell me if it's moving where the drive shaft is or the ball deck.
It's dark to get over here.
Okay. You got a flashlight? That's not real bad movement, but there is some. Yeah.
So,
is that where the drive axle goes through?
yeah, the drive axle is moving.
Okay. Okay, then we got to pull this knuckle off. Any movement up and down, you got to pull it off. All right, now stay there. We're going to go side to side. Now, the tie rods, the drag links, all the other stuff. Put your thumb and forefinger between each joint and see if you feel any movement that's not supposed to be there.
Between the ball joints?
Yeah,
like,
right.
Okay.
Right between the joints. Do you feel movement? It looks pretty tight.
Yeah.
Now go to the other side. How's that
Yeah,
one?
it looks pretty good.
Okay, now there's a thing called an idler arm down there.
Right here, right there, right? Where I'm feeling?
Okay, there's an idler arm that's about 5 inches long and has just like a dog bone. It's right. Yeah. Okay. Is it moving up and down any?
There's a little bit of movement around the bushing, but not much. Very slow.
Okay. All right.
Right.
All right. All right, let's go look at the other side. Okay, now what we just checked was the lower ball joint. Well, we'll check the lower ball joint in a second. We checked the wheel bearing. We checked the tie rod. And now over here, we're going to do the same thing. Grab the top and bottom of the wheel. Hey, go. Go. No. No movement?
Not like the other one.
Okay. Now grab the side to side. Any movement?
Yeah.
All right, go up underneath there. Now, coming off the gearbox is called the drag link. It's right here. You look at this joint, and work your way back. That doesn't count like trimming the edges enough. I hear it. You see the relay lever? You move it up and down?
Right here.
Yeah. See it?
Oh, right here.
It's going up,
Right
it's
there.
going like this.
Yeah.
See it? See that? Okay, relay lever's bad. Now, connecting the engine, you see the other move.
There is a little bit in where the drive shaft is not much. But
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, your relay lever is bad. That is, I can hear it.
Yeah, I can see the bushing's holding flat.
Right.
So it's like an eighth of an inch. If that bushing right here comes
Yeah, we're gonna have to deal with the relay lever. Yeah, that's the second weakest part. Come on up. Now we're gonna check the weakest part. In here, coming off the steering column is the CV joint, universal, and a slip shaft. Now your boot is shot. We got to fix that. Hear that?
I heard that when I was driving.
Okay, that is this up. This is the lower steering column bearing. Right there. You can hear it.
I heard it when I was
Okay.
driving. Yeah.
Then right down here is the slip shaft. What we want to do is we want to turn this. We want to watch right here real carefully. See if you see any movement.
No.
No, it looks good.
No, it looks good.
Now, I'm going to grab it down here at the universal, and I want to lift. No movement. So they got that tight. But this boot on the top here is rotten, so we're going to have to pull this off, rebuild this. It's about an hour and a half, $19 for parts. So we're going to do that. All right, so shaking this front end, we found we have a bearing issue on the passenger side. We have relay lever on this side. we have CV boot, okay?
Yes.
And that's it. So we'll do those mechanically. Now, let me show you something here. This is not on shaking the front end, but this is kind of cool. See this spot right here? See where it's cracked? Okay. Normally they'll crack right here.
Right.
Okay. Now, come over here and look down the side of the cover. See how it pooches out right
Yeah,
here?
it is, yeah.
That's called chipmunk cheeks.
Yeah, I thought so.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought so.
What's happening is the body is glued to the floor and it's broke loose. And it's doing this. It's pulling that apart, broke that. And these have broken free from the floor. So it's not a big deal, but it is what it is. The body's starting to do this. So what you
I was
can do,
wondering about that, yeah, because I've seen it popping out here, there, over. It's such a, yeah.
both sides do it. Both sides yours has it. What you can do, you can pull off the body side mold and run screws in here to pick up the inner wall, and about 5 screws and pull that in. Then when that's done, we're going to tie a cable from here to that headlight on the inside, and then we're going to turnbuckle and we're going to pull it in. That'll get rid of that.
And it stays like that?
And it'll stay like that. But we got to do something to hold it together. You're going to have to put it on pause again. Sorry.